Okay, this is the guide to actually adding the hair to your doll. Firstly, sew a guide line 2.5 centimetres down from the centre of the head and leaving a gap of, total gap 5 centimetres across the front for the fringe, which is 2.5 centimetres from the centre. It's quite handy to mark this with a pin. Now when you're ready to add the hair, these are ones I did earlier, take 2 strands measuring 24 centimetres in length and fold them in half. Hold on to those, push your crochet hook through one of the horizontal bars of your knitting, thread the loop over the end of the crochet hook and pull through. You then take the loose ends through the loop and pull to form a knot, and that's how you attach the hair. You continue the same thing all the way round till you reach this point, and then do a second row inside that one. You may possibly have a few strands left, in which case you can add them further towards the centre. When you come to the fringe, you do exactly the same thing but with your half length yarns. So these are only 12 centimetres, but you do exactly the same thing. Fold them in half, push your crochet hook through the bar, pull through and tie off through the loop. Bit fiddlier because they're slightly shorter, but you should still be able to manage. And there's her fringe, which will probably need a trim.